Welcome everyone, Dr. Mandell here. If you're experiencing that tightening of the neck, that spasm, that muscle contraction, you're having difficulty turning your neck, difficulty sleeping, or you may be experiencing pain or tingling into the shoulder or arm or inside the shoulder blade, well, this technique I'm about to share with you is going to do wonders to help fix it quickly. Now, what makes this technique so different and effective is that while we stretch the muscles of our neck, we're going to use the long edge of this fork as we strip the muscles to break down the contracture and spasm. First, I'd like to show you some simple anatomy so you can see exactly what muscles you're working. If you turn your head to the right, you'll notice that that fat muscle on the side of the neck, on the left side, it pops out. That's called your SCM, your sternocleidomastoid muscle. And right behind that large muscle are the scalene muscles, as well as other small muscles. Let's look here. So you can see right behind a large SCM muscle, you have the anterior, middle, posterior scalene muscles. You can also see the complexity of all the other muscles that surround it. If you're experiencing pain or tingling, moving from the neck to the chest, to the shoulder into the arm, or down the shoulder blade, as we strip the side of these muscles, you can see the brachial plexus that exits out between the anterior and middle scalene muscles. So after you stretch and strip these muscles, I'm hoping for you to see miracles. This two-step technique can be done in less than a minute. Get your fork, preferably a large one, and one that's more dull. Use some lubricant, either coconut oil, avocado oil, massage oil, or whatever oil you may have. Put a little bit on the side of the neck, the side that you're going to work. So my problem is on my left side. I'll hold my fork down on the lower end here, because we're going to use the side of the fork when we strip the muscle. I'll take my right hand because I'm going to pull my head to the right side as I stretch the left side. So I'm going to take the fork and we're going to put it right on the edge. Okay, I'm going to show you right here on the side of the neck. So as I pull to the right, we're going to strip down. Okay, see if I can show you here. As I pull to the right, we're going to strip down. Now, you can strip down a little behind, on the side, and a little bit in front, so you can work those different muscles. And you're going to pull just like this, and you'll do that about 10 times. So as you pull over to the right, you're pulling down and pushing that fork into the muscles as you strip it away. Now you should feel some relief immediately after the first part, as you stimulate those muscles and break down those fibers. This second part is very effective. This is like the icing on the cake. You're going to see big changes after this. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our head to the right if I'm working my left side, and if you're working your right side, you'll turn your head to the left. So I'm going to go back, turn it to the right, and while it's turned to the right, I'm going to grab over my head like this, and what we're going to do is we're going to bring our chin into our armpit like this. So as it goes down, I'm pulling the head down, pulling the chin into the armpit like this. Okay, then I come back up. But keep your head turned the whole time. Now, I'm going to take the fork, it's going to be on the left side, and I'm going to push down with my chin into the armpit as I strip down. Come into the center again. As I push down on the fork along the muscles, just like this. So every time I bring my head down, the fork comes down. As I bring my head down, my chin into my armpit, the fork comes down. We go back into neutral and we repeat it just like this. As you're stripping along those muscles, different parts along around the SCM, behind the SCM, and you're going to do about 10 repetitions of both of these. I am confident that this technique is going to give you big results. Do this technique a few times a day if necessary. Share this technique with your friends and family. Leave your comments below and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.